just turned 60. I've been gardening since college, and I don't intend to stop now. I just turned 60. I'm not going anywhere without putting the address in the GPS. I just turned 60. I do not know why, but I feel compulsive about saving all of my old electronics boxes. This is going to pain me. I just turned 60. Of course I have to stop walking if I need to sneeze. I just turned 60. Of course I have to turn the music down so I don't get lost. I just turned 60. I have a to-do list on my computer, I have a to-do list in my planner, and I have a to-do list in my notebook. I just turned 60. Of course I'm going to put my lipstick on while I'm driving. I just turned 60. I'm always on the hunt for a shoe that can be described as both orthopedic and a little bit slutty. I just turned 60. Of course I do my root touch-ups in the car. I just turned 60. When I bend down to get something, I'm gonna make a noise when I get up. I just turned 60. I've known for years that the best place to get those chin hairs is in the car. I just turned 60. I get so excited when I find something and it's on sale. I just turned 60. Of course I'm in the hot tub once a day. I'm sore. I just turned 60. Hey you, please, get off my lawn.